Hey everyone, I'm here with Megatron today. We are going to be filling out I got a new tackle box. Me and Megatron are going to fill it out. This is Jake's kitten, Megatron. He is the cutest guy in the world. Well, anyways, I'm going to set him down because he clearly doesn't want to be in my arms. He's really interested in whatever I'm doing. So, I got this is the tackle bag I got for $10. It's nice. It's got a traveling strap. It's got a little mesh packet right here and a little zip pocket right here. I'm going to just transfer some stuff from my current freshwater box into this one. This one comes with 3 tackle boxes already. And but they come with these cool little boxes that they have inserts that you can put in and put out and change to make your stuff look better. I got a spoiler shad swimming bait, so that's cool. Doesn't do too much, but kiki. Yeah, but no, you can't have it. Get out of my tackle box. Jake, he's trying to eat the hooks.
I know, he's a little bastard.
I'm in the midst of
What's up?
clearing out my tackle bag and changing it.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm making a... Don't get hit by the car. Tell me about how looking at the toilet was.
It wasn't pleasant.
But
It's kind of looked like a large orgy.
oh, pleasant, unpleasant. One may not know. But there's Keith. I got dirt in my eye. Yeah, it's a video. Fuck. So right now it's filming Harrison peeing. All you have to do is click it down once and it'll start filming. I have it on this movie anti-shake.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, this right here zooms you in and out.
Yep.
So you can get that zoomed or that zoomed out.
Can't move this truck.
Can't move this truck. Oh, can I move it?
Yes.
Alright, so that's all you're gonna know. Thanks, Jake, for filming.
Yeah.
We're gonna do Jake's gonna release it now. Yeah!
Action.
Yeah, he's a great skateboarder.
Sick.
Oh my god.
Fire.
Oh wow, I'm doing pretty good with this.
I'm not a bull skater.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, your chickens are on the back of the tailgate.
Floor in your clutch, and then you turn your ignition. You're not filming the right thing. Alright, so we're in a vehicle. Start to creep off that. Give it a little bit of gas. Wait for it to catch. Oh yeah, there you go. That kind of worked. Alright,
That's like Nixon, never mind. Fuck Reagan. Fuck Ronald Reagan. Oh shit. Oh my god. Nah, there's no way that's fucking leaving that shit.